It's a cool day today, Michelle.
It's a bit chilly.
Blue skies, but quite wintry. We're taking you out for a treat today. We're going down to what I'm going to call possibly the best cake shop in the world. Tito's. So we dropped in there yesterday evening. I want to take you down there and just show you how good the cakes and savoury pastries and breads are here. When we get in to Tito's, I'm going to show you the cakes. Let me know in the comments down below what you choose. We obviously can't have everything, although I'll give it a good try. But what would you choose? Anyway, we're nearly there. I can smell the rolled croissants from here. So this is the chocolate panettone. And that's that orange drizzle cake that I had last time, which is absolutely delicious. Man. Pistachio slices, Ferrero, Mona Lisa. A blueberry cheesecake. Tiramisu. Donuts and choux pastries. Again with pistachio. Fully chocolate coated croissants. Cheesecake for 1,500. Beautiful cheesecakes. I mean, they're 1,500, but that's about 15 euros. So many good things in this shop. It's unbelievable. Michelle's outside waiting for me. Okay, I've ordered coffees. I've ordered cakes. I've ordered a whole variety of things. I bought way too much stuff again. And I met the chef, Tito.
Okay.
And he gave me this.
So it's actually Tito who...
Tito is the guy, so he gave me this, which was really sweet.
Nice.
Thank you, man. So this is a meat byrek. You say byrek?
Yes.
Yeah. This one's the orange cake.
Oh, wow.
Oh, and this, I forgot about that. Look at that. Oh, and the sandwich as well. Fill 'em, Daddy. So, yeah, way too much stuff. Now, this almost looks like a baked Alaska. It looks so beautiful. Let me just bring them into shot. So I've got this, it's like a prosciutto sandwich with, now I see it, it's actually mozzarella. Here we've got the famous byrek, which is meat filled. Oh, coffee's coming as well. Thank you, bro. Fondamentali. Okay, so I've got a macchiato. The coffee, the espresso coffee here is absolutely delicious. It's second to none. So we've got a little biscuit on there as well. A little chocolate chip cookie. Charlotte's got an Americano, also with a little cookie. Beautiful looking Americano with a lovely crema on top as well. Oh, that is rich, sweet. There's no sugar in it. I don't have sugar in coffee. So this is the byrek. So they've given a nice little serrated knife, little sharp knife. There is the byrek. Oh, wow. It's not too greasy. That's really delicious. God, I'm going to put on so much weight in this country. The food is so good. I think Tito's, and we've met Tito today. Unfortunately, I didn't film him because I was trying to be polite. But I think Tito's is one of those outstanding cafes that produce amazing cakes, amazing pastries. Would you say that's layers of filo, Michelle?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, it's layers of filo pastry, which they bake. We haven't seen the baking process, so Michelle and I have got to learn about that. This bread is definitely theirs. It's definitely beautiful and fresh. I've got, make some space here. It's a lovely fresh bread. I think these are little mozzarella, probably mozzarella balls, would you say? So a little mayonnaise in there, a little salad. Beautiful, lightly flavoured mozzarella balls, definitely a mozzarella. Oh, wow. The bread's really good. I'm wading through these quickly for you. I'll have a little bit of this coffee. I think I'll have another coffee before we leave. What's the price of this, Michelle? Can you have a little look?
1,210.
1,200 for this?
Yeah,
All of this?
All of this.
That's like $12.
Yeah.
Man. Okay, I'm definitely not complaining. I am hoping that this, oh, I can't even tilt it because look at the beautiful orange juice coming out of that. Oranges are in season. Oh, will you look at that? Coming really close. Look at the juices coming off of there, Michelle. That is heaven. Our battery is running low because we've been filming all day, so I'm going to rush through this for you. This is the pistachio round croissant. Now, if I cut this through the middle, and you'll see that in the center, and this is beautiful fresh pistachio. Look at that pistachio cream in there. I want to say that's my favorite, but the orange cake is just like so good. All right, last cake. This looks like a baked Alaska. Do I go all the way down?
You got to. Do you know what's inside it?
No, I don't. So it's a chocolate cake. It's almost like a Black Forest gatto, isn't it? But in a meringue. Mmm. Oh, wow. That's hard to describe. It almost tastes like it's got an alcohol in it. Maybe it has. So it's like an Italian meringue covered in a chocolate cake with maybe a little, I want to say like an alcohol towards a Black Forest gatto. Maybe it's got a cherry or cerise. I'm not sure. This one looks the bee's knees, but actually the other two are my favorite. This one is very sweet and quite delicious. And maybe I'm just sugared out at the moment, but
You need another coffee.
when you look at that. It's really good. I'm going to have to get I'm going to get a cappuccino as well, I think, Michelle. So, we just wanted to bring you out to Tito's. If you are here in Tirana, I'll put the address down below in the video, so the GPS coordinates or a Google Map location, so you can come here. Oh, I was about to say I'm getting a coffee flavour from the cake.
That's your coffee.
That was my coffee. And a little biscuit. I think I'm going to take the biscuit home with me, Michelle. I think most of it will be going home with us. Delicious. Okay, Michelle and I have agreed. We're going to take the sweet dishes back with us. I might actually finish the pistachio. We're going to have the savoury dishes here. And I'm going to order another coffee. Eyes bigger than my belly. And that's hard to do in this environment. So Chef Tito is setting up for Christmas, putting up the Christmas decorations. What do you think, Michelle?
Oh, that was absolutely delicious.
Top
Outstanding.
quality,
Yeah.
well worth it. I said to Michelle, I'd like to come down and make a daytime video and just show everybody the great cakes here. The town centre, the city centre, should I say, is just down there, probably about maybe half a kilometre, 1 kilometre, I'm not sure, but it's close enough anywhere you're staying in the city centre. Highly recommend Tito's. It's getting close to Christmas, putting up their Christmas decorations. Loved you all. I think we'll wind up here.
I think so.
We've got a lot of cakes to take back with us, and Tito's given me a panettone, a chocolate panettone to try as well. Man, I'm going to get big in Albania. Loved you all. See you in the next video. Take care.
Bye.